Hello, hello, hello. Today is Saturday, February 14, 2026. Here follow the solutions of problem 248. These are the solutions by Ulf Haller with an introduction by Kees Norman. The problem is about resonance caused by the interaction of a capacitor C and an inductor L. In practice, any inductor will have some series resistance R, unless using a superconductor. This is covered in Walter's 802 lecture 25, where he defines omega 0 and quality Q. Ulf Haller's numbers are used below, where R is 1.0 ohm, C is 10 microfarad, and L is 64 microhenry. And there are the answers. Was this an easy problem? Absolutely, because I covered this in great detail in my lectures. There were probably about 15 correct answers, so that's nice. And thank you, Kees, for writing your introduction, and thank you, Ulf Haller, for providing us with the solution.